One more body was recovered from Mafau Dam this morning. With this, 2 bodies have so far been recovered from the dam following the April 28 boat capsize incident wherein 3 bodies went missing. The body of Ningthaujam Rani, aged 20 years, was found around 9 a.m. The NSCN-IM has said that it is relieved that the sea high camp episode is finally resolved amicably as for nearly a week. The outfit said they stood their ground waiting for the matter to be handled at an appropriate political level, as Indo-Naga issue is a political issue and not military. But the NSCN-IM said it was unfortunate to observe the Eastern Command of the Indian Army, as reflected in its PIB defense press statement, is desperately trying to show military color to the Indo-Naga political issue. Life has been affected due to an indefinite total shutdown in Sugnu area enforced by the Joint Action Committee against the burning down of St. Joseph Higher Secondary School, Sugnu. The strike began from 6 p.m. of May 2, demanding immediate arrest of all culprits involved in the burning down of the school on April 25th. Amphui Imphal and District Agro-Med Unit under ICAR Research Complex of NEH region, Manipur Center organized a one-day training cum awareness program for the farmers on agrometeorological advisory services. The program was conducted with an aim to provide a special kind of input to farmers in using pesticides and insecticides as the monsoon season sets in. Mummy Taibang Movies, an Android video on demand movie streaming application, was launched today. Mummy Taibang Movies is a paid application, but users can watch both free and paid movies, though users have to pay per movie for the paid movies. Tripura BJP organized a protest rally in Agartala alleging major conspiracy hatched by the opposition Congress and Communist Party of India Marxists over demand of recall for the Tripura West seat. The Tripura BJP was of the opinion that as both parties have repeatedly been meeting the ECI with complaints of massive irregularities during the poll of the first phase of the election in the Tripura East parliamentary constituency and demanded for repolling. Cyclone Fani, a severe cyclonic storm, made landfall with nearly 175 km per hour today around 8 a.m. south of Puri on the Orissa coast. The entire process is expected to happen over the next 2 hours. The Orissa government evacuated over 11 lakh people from low-lying areas in 15 districts yesterday. The makers of the Vivek Oberoi starrer biopic on Prime Minister Narendra Modi today announced that the film will be released countrywide on May 24, a day after the results of the Lok Sabha elections are declared. The film, titled Prime Minister Narendra Modi, was earlier set to release on April 11 but was banned by the Election Commission of India. Pakistan has issued an official order to freeze the assets and impose a travel ban on Jaish-e-Mohammed chief Masood Azhar after the United Nations declared him a global terrorist. Pakistan-based Azhar is also banned from selling or possessing arms and ammunition. A swath of heavy rainfall and possible severe weather moving across the central United States yesterday is threatening to flood several areas where rivers are already swollen from previous rains. The storms, which may include high winds and possible hail and tornadoes, could overflow many rivers, including parts of the Ohio and the Mississippi.